Hello everyone, welcome back to Dude's Tech. Today we're counting down the top 3 best oil sprayer for cooking that bring precision, healthier portion control, and convenience to your kitchen. Whether you're air frying, grilling, or dressing salads, these picks deliver perfect oil control every time. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 3 is the TrendPlain oil sprayer for cooking. The TrendPlain oil sprayer for cooking is designed to bring both convenience and control to your kitchen. Crafted from BPA-free glass, it ensures safety, durability, and a clean, odorless cooking experience. Its dual dispensing system allows users to either spray or pour oil, adapting seamlessly to a variety of cooking needs. Whether you're drizzling olive oil over a salad or adding a precise amount to a hot pan, the precision nozzle delivers consistent results, providing a fine mist or steady stream as required. With each spray delivering just 0.15 grams of oil, this sprayer helps maintain healthier cooking habits and minimizes waste. Its ergonomic design keeps your kitchen organized, clean, and efficient, while the heat-resistant glass guarantees reliable performance, even during intense cooking sessions. Beyond functionality, the TrendPlain oil sprayer comes with lifetime support, reflecting the brand's confidence in its quality. Any issues can be addressed at any time, giving users peace of mind while using this essential kitchen tool. For anyone looking to combine practicality, health-conscious cooking, and precision, this oil dispenser offers an elegant and reliable solution. Its versatile design, safety features, and controlled dispensing make it a standout addition to modern kitchens, enhancing everyday meal preparation with style and efficiency. This sprayer is ideal for home chefs who value both functionality and control, making it a practical companion for those seeking a healthier and more precise cooking experience. Coming in at number 2, we have the Flairosol oil sprayer for cooking. The Flairosol oil sprayer for cooking is a versatile kitchen tool designed to elevate your culinary experience while helping you maintain a healthy lifestyle. Engineered with an advanced fan spray atomizing nozzle, it delivers a consistent, ultra-fine mist of oil, ensuring even coverage on your food. Each full spray releases approximately 1 gram of cooking oil, giving you precise control over your calorie intake and supporting low-fat cooking. Built with convenience and durability in mind, the sprayer features a built-in filter system to prevent nozzle clogs, an anti-drip trigger, and a unique buckle design to prevent accidental leaks. Its premium glass bottle construction ensures long-lasting performance while making it easy to see the contents and refill when needed. The ergonomic handle allows effortless spraying, making it comfortable to use for extended cooking sessions. This sprayer is not limited to olive oil. It accommodates a variety of liquids, including avocado oil, canola oil, soy sauce, wine, and even water. Its versatility makes it suitable for frying, grilling, baking, seasoning, drizzling, salad dressing, and air frying, making it a practical addition for any home chef. With a 200 milliliter capacity, it is ideal for daily cooking and sharing meals with family or friends, while its leak-proof and portable design makes it perfect for outdoor cooking, BBQs, and picnics. The Flairosol oil sprayer combines functionality, durability, and style, turning a simple cooking task into a precise and enjoyable experience. Whether used for healthy cooking at home or for enhancing flavor outdoors, this sprayer offers a reliable and elegant solution for adding a perfect mist of oil every time. And finally, at number 1, we have the Gelibo oil sprayer for cooking. The Gelibo oil sprayer for cooking is a versatile kitchen tool designed to enhance both convenience and efficiency in your culinary routine. Featuring an upgraded light-blocking design, its dark olive green body protects oils from light and air, preserving freshness and flavor for longer periods. The transparent measuring scale allows easy monitoring of oil levels, making it practical to keep on your countertop for quick access. This 2-in-1 oil mister also includes 10 handy stickers, 8 waterproof and durable labels for quick identification, along with 2 blank labels for personalized customization, helping keep your kitchen organized and stylish. Its flexible use allows switching effortlessly between a fine mist and a straight stream. A quick, firm press delivers an ultra-fine spray, ideal for air frying or salad dressing, while a gentle, slow press produces a controlled stream for grilling or baking. The one-handed flick and pour design adds further convenience, making it easy to coat pans or dress dishes precisely. Refilling the Gelibo oil sprayer is simple and mess-free thanks to its patented one-click lid opening, and the 500-milliliter large capacity reduces the frequency of refills. Its combination of thoughtful design, versatility, and ease of use makes it an essential tool for home cooks seeking efficiency without sacrificing style. Whether for everyday cooking or entertaining, this oil dispenser integrates seamlessly into any kitchen setup, offering control, convenience, and elegance in a single device. Upgrade your cooking game today. Check the price link in the description to grab your favorite oil sprayer now. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Dude's Tech for more top product countdowns and smart kitchen finds.